This is a great find in the heart of the country club. It has an attractive front elevation with landscaping borders. The roof was replaced in 2018 and this is not in a flood zone. Inside you have cathedral ceilings, carpet and tile flooring and a spacious kitchen. The back lanai has vinyl sliders and portable air conditioner unit, turning this into extra living space. There is some updating needed, but the price is reflective of that. It will be hard to find another value like this one, so come and see it today. For a convenience to the seller, the home is being sold completely furnished but with personal items being removed.